Leadership is critical to our everyday lives, at work, at home, with colleagues or friends. Leadership can be used to create a positive situation and experience wherever you are. We talk about leaders and leadership nearly every day in a business world. But have you ever tried to actually define leadership? It can be much harder than you think. But taking the time to define leadership and what makes a leader is crucial to building a cohesive culture and developing future leaders. Namaskar, I am Rohit Kashyap, sales growth expert and a leadership coach, and you're watching Resilient Rohit, your one-stop destination to grow your life and business. So let's start. What is leadership and who is a leader? Everyone knows that leadership is, but few people can articulate what it truly means. Creating a cohesive definition within your organization is a crucial step of developing future leaders and maintaining unity and a strong leadership focus. Leadership has to do nothing with seniority or one's position in a hierarchy of a company. Too many talk about company's leadership referring to a senior most executive in an organization. They are just that, senior executives. Leadership doesn't automatically happen when you reach a certain hierarchical position. Hopefully you find it there, but there are no guarantee. Leadership is not about titles. Yes, similar to the point above, just because you have a C-level title like CEOs, CFOs, CTOs or CEO, Vice President and likewise, doesn't automatically make you a leader. In all the session, I stress the fact that you don't need a title to lead. In fact, you can be a leader in your place of worship, your neighborhood, in your family, and all without having a title. Leadership has nothing to do with a personal attribute. Say the word leader, and the most people think about dominant, authority, take charge, charismatic individual. We often think of icons from the history like Field Marshal Manekshaw, Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, or any other political leader, but leadership isn't an adjective. We don't need extrovert, charismatic traits to practice leadership, and those with charisma don't automatically lead. Leadership isn't a management. This is a big one. Yes, leadership and management are not synonymous. You have 15 people in your downline and P&L responsibility. Good for you. Hopefully you are a good manager. Good management is needed. Manager need to plan, measure, monitor, coordinate, solve, hire and fire, and so many other things. Typically managers manage things and leaders lead people. Effective leaders in the workplace don't have to be a management position. Rather, they are able to use their leadership skills to help all of their colleagues follow their lead to higher morale and better outcomes of their organization. These skills can help you to be a better employee, colleague, participant in your organization. Traits that help motivate, inspire and create sound strategy effectively move you into a better leadership role. Whether your job title, whatever your job title is, the definition of a manager isn't necessarily the same as a leader. Effective leadership skill can transform your entire organization. Leadership is a process by which an executive can direct, guide and influence the behavior and work of others towards accomplishment of specific goals in a given situation. Leadership is an ability of a manager to induce the subordinate to work with confidence and zeal. Leadership is a potential to influence behaviors of others. It is also defined as a capacity to influence a group towards the realization of goals. Leaderships are required to develop future visions and to motivate the organizational members to achieve their visions. According to Keith Davis, leadership is an ability to persuade others to seek defined objective enthusiastically. It is the human factor which binds a group together and motivates it towards goal. Please do share your feedback. What is your leadership style and how do you define leadership? I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then please give a like and a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe Resilient Rohit so that whenever we upload a new video, you will get a notification. Please share this video to your family, friends and colleagues and whomsoever you think can be benefit. See you next time in the next video. Till then, cheers! Sharing is caring.